Hello and welcome back to my channel, Simply Queened by Sherell. That's me, the modern day seamstress, where on this channel I will showcase some of my seamstress work as well as my new love, which is riding my Can Am Ryker. I wanted an open face helmet to use when I was doing in-city riding as opposed to my full face where I will use for long distance driving. I purchased this on Walmart, but it was an epic fail, and I'll explain in the next clip why I had to return this lovely in looks vintage helmet that I was striving for. Helmet is a size medium. Well, the medium was way too big. I felt like a bobblehead. Literally, if I was to move my head, I could feel the helmet shift, even strapped at its tightest point. I mean, any tighter and I would choke myself. So it's being returned because it just doesn't fit. And though I thought I liked that vintage style, the helmet stops like right here. So all of this is exposed. That's not the case on my full face. I have my fanny pack with my essentials. And this is just one from the Converse store. I have some loose change in the front part with some lip gloss. And in the main compartment, I have my Coleman Power Sports coupon book, my list of places to hit with the addresses. I have my registration and insurance card, and yes, I'm going to get one of those billfolds today to put that in. I have my Mary Kay hand cream. I have my house keys with my fob on it for my driver's license and credit cards. I have my AirPods, and I have my motorcycle keys, and that's it. So I've been out and my sunglasses. These are my non-prescription Ray-Bans. I have Ray-Bans just like these. They're matte gold with the brown lens. They're prescription. They're my prescription ones. Those jokers cost over $500. I'm not trying to lose them, drop them, or scratch them because the warranty on them expired earlier this month. So I just got another pair. These do not have the prescription in it, but they have the polarized lens, and they are wonderful. So I'll take these. And I got these on sale from Bloomingdale's for $80. And here you have it. And they're your typical old school motorcycle glasses. So today was the first day that I was going to be riding on the highway to get to a destination. Here to my first stop, which is Coleman Power Sports, the sister location for where I purchased my bike. Let's see. This one is kind of lightweight. It's a little bit heavier. It's a little bit heavier. Let's see what the price tag on this one is. $124. Can Am Ryker, $600. I have the Max mount, the Link-U top case, and the one-up back seat. I did not record inside of this store because the attendant kind of looked at me like, no, you won't. So I just kind of put it away. But I did end up purchasing my new vintage style helmet here that you'll see later in this video, along with a bungee cord. And what else did I purchase? Yeah. Oh, and some riding goggles that turned out to be trash. Okay, it's like 6 o'clock the next day, and I had received a number of packages the day before, and I wanted to take a quick look in the boxes before Mom and I hit the highway to travel to Norfolk for for the day. I will talk a little bit about these, or rather you will see them installed a little bit later in the video. They were some handrails along with wind deflectors for the handrails. I think there was a convex mirror and a few other things. Good morning. I don't know if they can hear this because I have it on the radio. But anyway, we just landed or arrived or pulled up to the 757 in Norfolk, making my way to my son's new apartment. I'm looking forward to seeing it. The plan for today, check out his new place. Then we need to go to his old place and we're going to help him clean it so that he can get his security deposit back. He's been moving for about 2.5 weeks all by himself without really any help, which is unfortunate, but he's like his mom. So you did get, oh my Lord.
Like these.
Oh my goodness.
These is all clothes.
Okay, next up was shopping for some new inventory and blanks at this store called Treasure Hunt, otherwise known as the Bins. Woo, boy, oh boy, did we clean up here. They were running a huge special. And then after that, we stepped next door into this wonderful soul food restaurant and had a lovely lunch. Then back to Hassan's place for some much needed chill time, and I retwisted his dreads. Mom and Hassan's cat Sophia. And then at about just before 6 o'clock, it was time for us to hit the highway and head back home. You know, I'm always sad when it's time to leave because we just miss Hassan so much, and he's such a wonderful young man, and we're very proud of him. Man, oh man, I have so much inventory to put together for my little boutique. Good morning, happy Saturday. It is 9:12. I did not go to the gym this morning. I took the day off from the gym because I just wanted to kind of take my time getting up today and go out and get some coffee because I had horrible coffee. My 1 cup of coffee yesterday was horrible. So, you know what? Let me take these earbuds out because I'm not so sure they're going to record. So I'll tell you what, I'll stop and then double check to see if the sound is picking. These from Sling Mods as well. And these are the metal aluminum hand guards for the Ryker. And I'll watch the video about installation of these pieces, and these are substantial as described as well, and it's metal. So that's that. So those go on first, and then I did get the wind deflectors for the Ryker, and those are plastic pieces. So I guess this is the shell part, and then this is the actual wind deflector, which is, this stuff is plastic. So, but everybody's first volume, so we'll see, because I will be going out for a ride today, so I'll see if it makes a difference. So I asked him to leave the torque screwdriver that I need to install these things, and he did leave those things for me. So, here's what I found on my ride the other day, Thursday. I had a terrible time getting it home. Well, not a terrible time. I had to do a little finagling to get it home because I don't know why I didn't remember I wasn't in my car. I was actually on my bike. I was thinking that my top case would accommodate my new helmet, but it didn't. I could get it in there, but I couldn't get it closed. So I had to go back in the store and buy a bungee cord, which I've been meaning to get. It's a motorcycle bungee thingy. I've been meaning to get this anyway. This was like $10 and it's nice quality. But Coleman Sports owes me a free one and I will be riding by there today to get it. So that's that. So if you remember the helmet that I ordered from Walmart, I wanted a retro open face. It was too big and it was a medium. This is a medium and and this is a Bell. The other one was a Royal, and Royal is a good brand, but this is the Bell brand. I purchased this at Cycle Gear. Wonderful, wonderful motorcycle shop in Springfield. I may go back today because I wish I had purchased the cup holder. I think I want to go back and get the cup holder. So I purchased a really nice pair of goggles to wear with the open face, and these are by Built. Okay, they're nice. I did try those on in the store, and I'll try them on later. I had to purchase the visor that goes on the Bell helmet, and this is by Built as well, and it's black, jet black sun visor. And then here is my helmet, which is oh so cute. It's matte black to match my bike. The interior is very nice. It's like red and black quilted stitching, nice padding. This is nice, and it feels nice and secure on. You know, the snap is metal. And it's a medium and it fits great. So I will be wearing this, I think, today, because unless I get on the highway, if I get on 95, I will wear my full face. But I think I will be doing in-city riding, which is going to consist of the Parkway and Route 1, because I'm going to go to the Harley Davidson showroom store that I did not make it there on Thursday. So I will be going to the Harley Davidson store today, down in Quantico, after I get these things on. Excuse me, because I want to test them out. So I'll put that on a little bit later. So let me bring you over here and show you the modifications that I've made thus. Purchased that from Can Am. It's a perfect match. Tim had to drill holes, and I'll pop that on. Simple enough, because they mark where the holes are supposed to go. I changed out the grips. So these are really nice Can Am grips. Okay. I added my cell phone mount, and I purchased this from a professional bike shop. And it works just fine. It's very secure. Tim put that on for me as well. I am going to move that today because it's blocking, when I'm sitting on the bike, it's blocking half of my dashboard. And I like to keep an eye on, just on, you know, the gas mileage and my turn signal, so on and so forth. Okay, and I put the Adventure windshield on. I went with the Adventure over the Sport because, one, the Adventure is bigger. And this windshield is adjustable. It can go up or down. It's in the down position now. And it does have the double windshield. And so it has like a little vent. So it's really nice. And then I added the Max mount, which is this piece here that's needed in order to use any accessories. And I right now have gone with the Link Q top case, which is a really nice case. And then that just kind of snaps closed like that. And I have the one-up backrest. Now, unfortunately, But until then,
Just be yourself. 너를 위한 달콤한 시간. 어릴 적을 회상해보면 그리워져. 문득 떠오르는 나 때는 말야. 이렇군 저렇군. 위한 너와
this is cute.
then. When was the last time? Don't worry. 순수했던 내 행복을 찾아 떠나.
Watch. Let me tie you out.
인생의 심표나.
I'm Ryker. Okay.
I'll watch you.
Okay, you're gonna help.
Breathe, let it breathe. Just be yourself.
And we shooting ideas for our store that's gonna be opening real soon.
Yeah.
2 years ago, almost to the day, I lost the most important man in my life, which was my dad. So these 4 days that I took off and did like a little mini staycation, it was just to reflect on our relationship and just to remember him and how he poured into me all 51 years of my life at the time of his death. And, you know, it has been a great 4 days. Dad, you live with me every single day. You are so embedded in me. I love you and I miss you so, so much. Continue to rest in peace.
Yeah, I can't see you too good, your face too good because of this.
That's fine.